Kamu berparas melati di tanggul kita, berparas melati. Hey!
Indonesia, one of the most beautiful countries in the world. I've been traveling here for years now. But if there is something that unifies people in some islands, it's the local alcohol. Arak, a way of life. So today we have the chance to follow some locals in a traditional village in Flores, Indonesia, and we are going to see the whole process of how arak is made. Arak is a local alcohol which is really famous in some countries in Southeast Asia, but I don't want to talk too much. Let's see the process. Hello.
Sekarang saya mau panjat moke. Amin.
Oh, sweet. Let me see. Enak. So this one is the arak, but not distilled.
Not distillation.
Not distillation.
It's pure arak.
Okay.
Pure arak from palm fruit.
Okay. So let's try the arak. So 100% pure, without distillation. So as you can see, some bugs inside. Oh, really nice. It's almost better like without distillation. Huh? It's a little bit sweet, but a little bit sour and salty at the same time. Now we start cooking the arak, and it's the beginning of the process.
Pasang api dulu, baru panas, baru tuang moke. Ini saringan. Masak ini lama, mungkin 3 jam atau 4 jam. Kita belajar di smoke mulai kecil sampai sekarang ikut bapak.
Not the same country, but the same color. From now on, we are going to wait 10 minutes more and we will start the distillation process.
We start again to make a fire and put the distillation process.
Tunggu 10 menit baru kita pasang lagi api.
So basically this is the gallon where we will have the arak in a couple of hours.
Kita masak hasil tadi. Ini 4 botol.
Let's try. Let's try the arak. Makasih. So it's 100% pure arak. Excellent. Nice. This arak is not mixed with like methanol or something else, because sometimes when you buy arak in the street in Indonesia, arak is not really pure, like it can be mixed with something else. This one, as I said, is a 100% pure arak. Enak.
Ini rasa yang kelas termasuk kelas ringannya. Ini bukan nomor 2.
Arak is from Sika people, is like a symbol of custom, brotherhood, like social life. Yeah, that's why arak is famous here. In here we drink arak just 1 glass like this, and we make a move to glass to everyone, so you don't see like too much glass. So we drink just 1 glass. We do it like just fun, or like weddings, holidays, even it that even for our Catholic brother and sister. Yeah.
Sometimes locals, they drink too much arak, they can get drunk. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
For Christmas, local minum banyak arak sekali lah. Guys, please do not drink too much arak if you want to stay in good health. Anyways, thank you so much to the local community. It's been an amazing challenge to shoot this video. If you want to support this work, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel, you can hit the like button, you can leave us a comment. See you soon for a new adventure. In the meantime, take care. Bye for now.